Oh no, where is my toy car? I'll find it later. I'm too tired.
I love messy rooms. The messier it is, the stronger I get. Ah! Not today, Messy Max.
Wow! Who are you?
I'm Captain Clean, protector of tidy rooms.
Mess attack!
Bubble shield.
Let's clean together. Sweep spin! I can it too! Laundry toss. Toy organizer. I can do it too! Clean it up, clean it right, make your room fresh and bright. Pick and place, don't delay, clean your room every day.
Oh no! I'm shrinking! Mess can't survive in clean spaces.
Goodbye, Messy Max. I feel cleaner. Cleaning your room keeps you happy and healthy. I'll clean my room every day.
Clean room, happy day. Messy monsters stay away.
Once again, kids. Clean room, happy day. Messy monsters stay away.
Kids, always keep your room clean and stay happy. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos.